So I don't know where Amanda's taking me today. So we're gonna see if I'll live.
Hi!
Alright, we're about to start our hike. The Anissa Amanda hike of 2K17. Amanda, do you have any words to say?
Absolutely no words. It's gonna be amazing.
Stopped how many times? 3 times? It's been how many minutes? 2. Almost died a few times.
3.
Amanda has not done physical activity in
Century.
God! Oh gosh. Okay. Look, 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 look. Ow! She emerges. The wild 220-year-old females face all odds of nature.
Wait. Leave me alone.
Amanda's literally chasing a dog right now. She just scaled that rock. The biggest catastrophe that has happened is that there's a piece of leaf, nature, in my water, and I refuse to drink it.
It's like half a pine needle.
It's nature.
Yep, that's correct.
I had no water and I'm stuck with Amanda, so, and she doesn't even look very appetizing anyway, so I'm just kind of like SOL at this point.
That's really rude.
It's been 84 years. It's been 10 minutes.
Oh man, what a thing. That was exhausting.
Walking sticks.
We
And
busted our asses, like
Can you-
literally fell.
that is not well.
My butt is not. We've seen better days.
I was getting so tired from holding this camera down.
Corey.
Did not end up getting murdered by Amanda, but just by nature
They're
itself.
still young.